Oh.
Hello. Hello, I'm eating.
Ow. Ah. Very good. Mm.
Yummy.
Yummy. App. Yummy banana. Yummy banana.
Mommy, no. Chicken, banana.
Mm-hmm.
Banana.
Mm-hmm.
Chicken, banana. Banana.
Banana. Mm. Mm.
Toy.
Mm.
I need to show Amara in the iPad, mommy.
Why?
Because Amara need to see the baby.
Ah, it's okay, no problem.
Can I bring the iPad in the Amara's house?
Why?
Because Amara need to show something.
Mm. She likes Sophie. She always said she likes Sophie.
Yeah. Mommy, I think Sophie's look like birthday and Sophie got 3 years old.
Mm-hmm. Ah. That's it.
Mommy, I need for potato, mommy. I can get one potato, mommy.
Okay.
Mommy, what are you Sophie need to borrow this?
No, Sophie don't like potato.
Yeah, I love potato.
Up, up, up.
Ah, what is that?
A potato.
Mommy, so long.
Mm-mm. A long potato. Do you like mommy's cooking?
Yeah, mom. Yes.
Don't you have assignment in the science?
Help me, mommy. I cannot cut it.
Why?
Because I just need
Okay.
60.
This is Sophie. Sophie's laughing.
I can do it now.
You can do it. Okay, I told you.
Thank
You will learn
Mommy.
things. Oo.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. You need to sleep later, anak, ha?
Okay.
Kasi, mag-ano muna, assignment muna.
Okay.
You're very good. Wow.
Mommy, I don't like this, Mommy.
Which one, anak?
This
Ay,
one.
sige. Put it there.
I need to put that trap.
You want to baon potato tomorrow? And some apple or orange? What do you want?
Apple and potato.
Oh, yeah.
Super potato.
Okay. I will prepare tomato.
Tomato.
Potato tomorrow. Sabi You like it?
Yeah.
Thank you for liking it. How was school, anak? Did you enjoy schooling?
Yeah.
You always like to go to school, ano?
Yeah. Because I love to go to school and I'm not late.
Of course you are not late. You're always early.
Yeah, early.
I'm early.
I'm early.
Yeah, very good. You cut it.
Yeah, I love it. Ooh,
How about your classmate? They dare not bully you?
No, mommy.
Oh, very good. They are good to you?
They are good. Yes, mommy.
Mhm.
That. I want that.
It's Sophie lang.
It's just okay, mommy.
Mhm.
This is my food.
Hoy! What are you doing? Ah.
Bye bye.
Mm, bye-bye.
Bye bye.